this way, this side, the right side, the same with our before version, the OT speaker here. Okay, let me introduce my new colleague.
Hello, I'm Ellie.
He is our new colleague here. So maybe he will be shy, but next time or more times he will be very enthusiastic. Okay, let's continue to unbox the OT. Okay, as you can see, inside packing already changed very much. Before, the first version of our packing is a full foam packing, but the second generation is 2 foam. Now we upgrade to 3. Okay, let's continue. We pull out the OT. Okay, this is the accessory box. Inside it has the serial cable. It is used to connect the console with your PC. Connect the console port of OT, and the USB is to connect to your PC. This is accessories for the OT installed to the racket. Every OT have 2 of these accessories. Okay, the last one is the power supply cable. This is the EU plug. Later we will change maybe this connected to the street this time, and this we will change to the maybe the like a cross, 90 degrees cross. This is all of the OT accessories